Is your Vauxhall Antara's alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, often linked to three main culprits: faulty door latch switches, a problematic bonnet switch, or battery-related problems. The Antara's alarm system is designed to be sensitive, so even minor issues can trigger it. Aging components, corrosion, and electrical glitches within the body control module are usually to blame. As the Antara models are aging, production from 2006 to 2015, the likelihood of these issues increases. We'll focus on diagnosing and addressing these common causes. First culprit, faulty door or latch switches. These detect if doors are open or closed. Second, a problematic bonnet switch that monitors the hood position. Third, battery-related problems like low voltage or drains. Let's get your alarm sorted. First, check the door and bonnet switches. These switches can corrode or stick, sending false signals. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes like B00110 for door switch or C020 for bonnet switch to pinpoint the problem. Clean the switches and apply dielectric grease. If cleaning doesn't work, replace the faulty switch. Next, inspect your battery. A weak battery below 11.5 volts or parasitic drain can cause alarm issues. Have your battery tested and consider upgrading to a smart battery monitor. Finally, remember safety. Disconnect the battery before working on electrical components to avoid shorts. DIY fixes are possible, but a professional mechanic might be needed for complex issues. Ignoring the alarm can lead to BCM issues. Get it checked out.